Hi, I'm Ian, a customer service associate at Greensboro Auto Center, and today we'll be taking a look at an exciting new addition to our lot, this 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This one has a lot of additions to it, one of them being this front steel bumper and KC spotlights both on the front and on the top. We've also got a beautiful 3.5-inch lift kit on it with your 33-inch Goodyear tires. Your KC spotlights have easy switch accessibility right here on your driver's side, and mounted to that roll cage that extends all the way to the back of the vehicle, giving you the extra protection you might need to remove the hard top as well. You do have your full-size spare to help you in case you run into any trouble while you're out there on the trail. You've also got your star accented step bars that help you gain access to anything you might want to store up top. If you've got any questions about this vehicle, feel free to visit us at gsoauto.com for a new way to buy.